Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Welcome to our cozy corner of Country Cottage Farmhouse Rustic Decor. In this video we are diving deep into the charming world of rustic interior design where warmth, simplicity and timeless appeal come together to create a space that feels like home sweet home. You step through the front door of a quaint country cottage nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery. Instantly, you are enveloped in a sense of tranquility and comfort. Thanks to the inviting rustic decor that greets you at every turn, from weathered wood furniture to soft, muted color palettes, every element works in harmony to evoke the cozy charm of rural living. So, how can you bring this same sense of rustic allure into your own home? Fear not, because we have got you covered with our top tips and ideas for achieving the product country cottage farmhouse rustic decor. So let's start with the foundation of any rustic interior wood. Whether it's reclaimed barnwood flooring, rough hewn beams, or a sturdy farmhouse dining table, incorporating natural wood elements is essential for creating that authentic rustic vibe. Not only does wood add warmth and character to a space, but it also lends a sense of history and craftsmanship that can't be replicated. Next up, let's talk about color palette. When it's come to rustic decor, think earthy tones and soft neutrals inspired by the natural beauty of countryside. Soft shade of beige, taupe and sage green provide the perfect backdrop of layering textures and adding pops of color through accents like throw pillows, rugs and artwork. Now on to furniture and furnishings. In a country cottage farmhouse rustic interior, comfort is key. Look for cozy, upholstered sofas and armchairs in natural fabrics like cotton, accented with plush throws and cushions for added warmth. Mixing and matching vintage pieces with modern finds add to the eclectic charm of rustic decor. So don't be afraid to scour flea markets and antique shops for unique treasures. When it comes to accessories, embrace the beauty of simplicity. Mason jars filled with wildflowers, woven baskets, overflowing with blankets, and vintage displayed on open shelves all add to the rustic charm of your space. And don't forget to incorporate elements of nature wherever possible. Now let's talk about lighting. Soft ambient lighting is a key of creating cozy atmosphere in a rustic interior. Opt for vintage inspired fixtures like wrought iron, lantern style pendant lights and rustic wall sconces to add a touch of old world charm. Of course, no rustic interior would be complete without a few notes of farmhouse living. Think apron front sinks, butcher block countertops, and open shelving lined with mason jars and ceramic crockery. Incorporating these classic farmhouse elements into your kitchen and dining area adds both style and functionality, creating a space that's perfect for cooking, entertaining, and gathering with loved ones. And finally, don't forget to add your own personal touch to your rustic decor, whether it's family heirlooms passed down through generations, handmade crafts from local artisans, or cherished souvenirs from your travels. Incorporating pieces that hold sentimental value adds depth and meaning to your space. So, there you have it, our top tips and ideas for creating cozy country cottage farmhouse rustic decor. We hope you found inspiration and are excited to bring a little bit of rustic charm into your own home. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy decorating.